Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ENDP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video at that link. So go there and I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. Price was all over the place, but when all the dust had settled, it left us in an area where, unfortunately, assuming, of course, you're along, any bearish people would be happy about this, but the price did break to the downside of this channel that had formed. So going into today, and as I talked about on Friday, it became very apparent that the price had, established a sideways channel here. So going into today, it was just, okay, a question of which way is the price finally gonna, break. And we got our answer, and ultimately the bears won out, and the price closed down below that area, which brings about the first update, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So right there at 470 going to be the initial level of resistance. The good news is that assuming there's no gap downs or anything, the price closed at 465. So it's still well within striking distance of potentially getting right back inside of that previous channel, which would be a great step in the right direction. Now, I'm not saying that's guaranteed to happen, but my point is it's not like the price closed all the way down here where the price would first have to travel all the way back up there just to try to get back inside of the channel. There's a very small travel distance before the price can, ultimately try to fight back inside of that channel. So we'll see if that happens or not. But regardless, you still got to consider 470 now, that newest area of resistance. And of course, if the price can, snap back above there, you still have up around 520 as that overarching level of resistance. As far as levels of support are concerned now, I want to get one of the newest ones mapped out. Nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact of the bleeding today finally stopped right there at $4.40. So 440 going to be that near-term level of support to watch going forward. So watch that very closely. But all in all, yeah, it was a disappointing day, but it's not like the chart totally crashed or anything like that. And like I said, the price is still well within striking distance of quickly getting right back above $4.70. And that is certainly, what you would want to see from the bullish side of things. So the week is young. It's only Monday, 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.